daisies and just left. 10x on crazy time from... Alright, so we have 10x top slots on the...
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Anyway, ooh, maybe baby? Baby, please. Yes, let's go. Crazy time. Follow me and let's get crazy. Ah, 100x. $20x on blue, 35x on yellow, double on green. $200x, let's go. Double. Keep 'em coming. Go Team Green. Are you ready for 400x maximum? Double and continues. The big moment, 800x.
This is the amount of money issued, 533,431 euros.
200x on green. Go Team Green. Whoop, whoop. Welcome back again. Betting time is open. Let's go. Place your bets, guys. Weep, weep, weep. Congratulations to Team Green, especially. Sort of a young Bo Burnham. 2x on 5. Though I think Bo Burnham is like, I don't know. He's ginormous. I don't know how tall he is, but he's pretty tall. Crazy time. Let's go, guys. Follow me. Really tall and really lanky. Let's go. Follow me. $100. $10x on yellow, 20x on a green, double on blue. Blue, you are our only hope. 200x. Go Team Blue. doubling the double. Keep them coming. $400X. Here we go. The doubles keep on coming, baby. Yeehaw. Are you guys excited? 800X maximum.
This is the amount of money issued 573,129 euros.
400X, baby. Go Team Blue. Dominating. Welcome back, everybody. This is Producer Sari and some TFT, your top 3.
700, almost 13 seconds, less than 600 play. The highest win, if I remember correctly, is 2000X on a catch gun, but obviously the best win for the highlights was like 1,400X on a crazy time, if I remember correctly. Up tonight, can we get some W's in the chat? Guys, let's get some W's in a chat, because as you can see, that's a big W on a wheel right now. Crazy time, 2X. Guys, we need those W's because we are winning. Okay, you are winning, but let's go with the W's. Let's go. Bingo. I love you, dogs. Let's say 30 minutes ago. Bingo. You caused such a stress for us. Yeah, but okay, guys. Let's go. Let's go. You can pick one of those beautiful floppers. Green, blue, yellow. Green, blue, yellow. Majority. I'm shocked. Blue. We need 200. We need 200. Oh, double it, triple it. Triple double it. Oh, blue, look at you. Special spin for blue. You are the chosen ones. You escaped the Matrix. Right now, bullets flying, 400.
This is the amount of money issued 802,076 euros.
100 anyway. So guys, majority picked the blue, and blue gave blue.
Euros off with special compliments forever and betting time. You can join in for the new spin. Final seconds there, players. Let's go. Welcome newcomers. Welcome back. You had returned to crazy time. Good morning. Home Rabbits, thank you. We still haven't had the change or cash-ins in the session. We had crazy time one time. Good luck. We had 2 coin flips. We had number 10 about 4 times. 1s, 2s, 5s. 2x crazy time top slot would be lovely. Would be lovely indeed. Yo! Ladies and gentlemen, we just got crazy time again. Amazing! Let's go! This is great! Follow me! Woo! 2x is still something, you know? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Crazy Time Bonus Round. We got a 2x stock slot, so the whole wheel gets doubled right away. Double trouble. Please choose your flapper, green, blue, action on the wheel. Final seconds. Highest multiplier on the wheel right now is 200x. Good luck!
This is the amount of money issued 335,085 euros.
Take us into the hundreds and higher. Good luck. 7x on cash hunt. Better than 10x? Exactly. Cash hunt, come on, don't jump. It is cash hunt. We got that big cash hunt with a 7x multiplier. Welcome everyone to the lovely bonus round of the cash hunt. You're welcome to see the wall. But wait. We got a 7x, right? That's right. Can we multiply it? Look at it explode. Alright, that max is 700. Let's shuffle it up and see if you can find that big 700x multiplier on the wall. Where is it hiding? What do you think? Come on, let's get it. It's incoming. Exactly, it is incoming. Alright, your time to decide whatever you want to pick, your decision. You can also leave it to autobit, but you know, that's not fun. Pick it yourself. Yummy, exactly. Very yummy. Last seconds for you.
This is the amount of money issued 752,399 euros.
Congratulations, all of you. Enjoy. Let's go back to real celebrate these wins. Good luck. 1,000 players with a 700. My congratulations. 13,338 winners. My combos to you guys. Beautiful 7x on the cash hunt. That's amazing. Well, let's continue.
Let's your best, please. And now, bets are closed. Good luck. What's next? Ooh, 7x on crazy time. Woo, come on. Woo! We got it. Crazy 10, 7x upside. Let's go. Come on. We do have a 7x in case you forgot. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to choose your and we have a triple. Oh my, that would be epic. All right, choose your team, blue, green, or yellow. All right, it is time for the spin. Good luck. Come on, triple. We want that.
This is the amount of money issued for 1,749,624 euros.
140x for the blue, 175 is for the green, but 1,400 for the yellow. Woo! Team Yellow, 1,400. That's a nice one. Congratulations to everybody. Also, of course, the blue and the green teams, but yellow this time. That was a really good choice. All right, good luck.
Good luck in the next round. Good luck. Mod is missing in the chat again. He came in, wrote the wrong multis, and just left. 10x on crazy time from the top slots. Oh please. Crazy time. Let's go. Well, follow me. Welcome to the world's biggest wheel in crazy time. Alright, so we have 10x top slots on the crazy time, so all the multipliers are 10 times higher. Alright, now it's your decision time. Pick a flapper, green, blue, or yellow. Which one you think will get the highest multiplier? Most of you are choosing the blue flapper, by the way. Alright, highest multiplier is 1000x. Good luck. It's a double for the green flapper. Highest multiplier right now is 2000x. Let's get it.
This is the amount of money issued to 100,397 euros.
Alright, we have 150 for blue and yellow flappers, 200x the highest for the green flapper. Alright, well, welcome back from the crazy time. I was hoping for the higher multipliers, but still a really good round. Very big payouts, guys. I'll take it.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.